Hello guys, welcome in today's lesson. This is your very own teacher, the Onza graduate teacher. In today's lesson, we are looking at a question which came in biology paper 2 2023 GCE G12 exam. The question, it was question 1 in section A. It was saying figure 1 shows different types of specialized cells. There was A, B, C in figure 1. Then there was a question now which was saying A1, identify the cells A, B, and C. So now what is A? So it's what it was asking. So you are going to say A, it is the nerve cell or neuron. This zone is that it has a long axon and branched ends which are dendrites. This shape is typical of a nerve cell. Is used to transmit impulses over long distances in the body. So now B, it is a root hair cell. So this one is a root hair cell. It has a long hair-like extension coming from the cell. This extension increases surface area for absorption, which is the characteristic of the root hair cell in plants. Then we are going to say C, it is serrated cells, or you can say serrated epithelial cells. So the reason the top surface has many small hair-like structure called this cilia. So we are going to look at the A2 question right now. So question A2 was saying, state the part of the living organism in which the specialized cells B and C are normally found. So you are going to say B is found in the root of the plant. So it's for this one is that root hair cells grow on the outer surface of the plant where they absorb water and mineral ions from the soil. So that's the reason. Then C, you are going to say it's a lining of the trachea or respiratory tract. That's where you can find the serrated cell. So now the question B was saying, explain the function of each of the following cells in figure 1. So the nerve cell, what is the function of the nerve cell? That's what the question was saying. You say to transmit electrical impulses around the body between the brain, spinal cord, and other organs. So electrical impulses, you are talking about a message, to transmit a message in the body. So now that's the function of the nerve cell. So now we need to look at the other function of the root hair cell is to absorb water and mineral ions from the soil. That's a function of the root hair cell. So now we need to look at the C now, the function of C, serrated cells. So we are going to say it moves the mucus and trapped dust or bacteria out of the airways. So we have come to the end of our lesson. Why should you continue to struggle with biology when the undergraduate teacher is here? Just follow my TikTok channel if you're watching me on TikTok. If you're watching me on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more biology lessons.